How crazy is this, guys? I've got a bird in the house. I've left the door open and now the cat's chasing it. I've got to I've got to get a tea towel. See if I get the cat scared. He wants to get, it's a pigeon. Oh, it's a beautiful bird. Hey mate. I got it. There we go. Alright. Come on, fella. Hey, hey. I got him. Let's take him outside and let him go. Actually, I'll do it right here. Sorry about the rough work with the camera, but we've got a few priorities here. There you go. Hey, there he comes. Well, how's that? That's a bit special. Wow. I didn't realise I'd left the back door open. I've got feathers everywhere. Well, good deed for the day. I think so. Wow. You never know what's going to happen around here. Okay, see you soon, guys. Bye.